I've been coming to the event for a number of years now. I've always enjoyed the fact that it's such a cross-section of things that we see.
I love the fact that you can network with a lot of other people from all walks of life, from engineering down to tradesmanship.
It's much more interactive. It's a very friendly event. And you just learn so much, my mind is just exploding with all the stuff that, the new ideas people have given me.
You're not aware of everything that is happening in the industry. So when you attend this, you get to know something that had been missed.
Share your knowledge, they can tell you more. It's just the best learning opportunity there is.
I would just encourage everyone to attend each year. It's a fantastic event.
It's well organized and we'll be back, that's for sure, and we're very happy to be the sponsor for this event.